Nakikichismis ako lahat ng mga leaders. May alam ka ba? May alam. Anong nabalitaan mo? And it so happened, during the round table, ang katabi ko, si Secretary Lacnic. Kami ang dalawa. So I kept pushing him. I said, can you share some? Yeah, but I was very tight-lipped about it. So it's very hard. The best information I got says that they have declared peace for at least a year. So the trade war will be less intense, at least for a year, or at least that's the agreement. And you know, pag nung sinasabi sa amin yon, well, for ang usapan nila for a year, we hope it lasts a year. So do we. But medyo nakahinga ang buong mundo ng kaunti dahil medyo nagkaayusan. Kahit na hindi kompleto, nagkaayusan ang dalawang pinakamalaking ekonomiya sa buong mundo, China at saka US. So yes, I think in the end, it was good that they met, and it was good that they came to some conclusions. We are waiting to see more, trying to get more information. We'll see how it impacts the Philippines, our trade deals with the U.S., our trade deals with China, and I guess within ASEAN and within APEC. It really affects the entire world.